Greetings from paradise, that is Runaway Beach in St. John's, Antigua and Barbuda. It is 12:30 p.m. and this is how the Caribbean Sea looks like at this time of the day. And the beach as well, Runaway Beach. So earlier today I have been to James Fort Beach, that is just 1 kilometer away from here, around that bay. And now I'm continuing the beach adventures at the second beach in Antigua, and this is real paradise, believe me. And I will be exploring a bit more along the coast, depending on how much time do I have left, as the boat, I need to be on the ship back at 5:15 p.m., which means I have 4.5 hours left, which should be fine for 2 or 3 beaches more. So yeah, I am today on day 6 of the cruise trip on the Caribbean. We have docked at Antigua, St. John's Port, and at the port, it's just in the center. When we got out, there were like shops. I already bought the flag of Antigua and Barbuda and the magnet as well. And there are 4 days left of my cruise ship adventure, and more about that in the next episodes. But I have seen now a very beautiful shell now on the beach. Isn't it lovely? Unfortunately, we can't take it, as it is not allowed to take any corals or any material from the beaches, unfortunately, to keep the ecosystem intact. So yes, I just can't believe how beautiful it is, and luckily there is some sunshine as well. It was a bit cloudy earlier also, but now this episode is pure sun, which is amazing, and then means that you can enjoy the most beautiful color of the water, turquoise shade, turquoise actually color. And it is so marvelous and so beautiful. I feel so blessed to be able to explore yet another country. This is obviously a new country for me, as I have never been here before. And whew, it gets here a bit deep quite fast. There are some rocks also, some tiny pebbles, but mostly it is sand. Mostly it is sand. Whew. Strong waves indeed. Now, with this beautiful view, it's time for me to take a swim at Runaway Beach in St. John's, Antigua and Barbuda. Let's go! Amazing. It is 27.2 degrees Celsius in the sea, and outer temperature is 29 degrees under shadow, that is, as it is obviously a bit more hot on the sun. The beach is quite empty. I thought it is going to be more crowded, but I think that some of the tours from the ship will come in the afternoon, and there was a price of like $50 to come here, and it's like 3.8 kilometers exactly, so it took me less than 40 minutes to get here. So I think it's quite expensive to pay $50 to get here, but I think they have included also some beds in that, which I really don't need. So I will be continuing then along the coast. There is another beach, Dickinson Bay, maybe a kilometer away from here, but I think it's strange that you can't walk along the coast here, as there are some private properties, so you need to do a slight detour on the road. But it's possible to get anyway from beach to beach. So I have chosen to explore the north part, the coast north of St. John's, because on the southern part I saw that there is not so much road, and I would have needed to go off-road, as I saw one big bay that it says it's usually you can go there by boat. But yeah, maybe next time when I'm here. Uh, but yeah, greetings from Runaway Beach in Antigua and Barbuda. And in this strong wave, we end up the episode in the best possible way from paradise. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode from Runaway Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!